If you're looking for a recliner that is compact yet comfortable, like this one, for example, that this brand sent to me for this video, stick around because this one may be the one you're looking for. It's about 56 or 57 inch wide. As you can see, it's compact, yet two people can fit in here, super comfortable, but also more than anything, besides that, each one of the seats supports 400 pounds. Check this out. When I'm saying that this one, it is zero gravity, I'm not joking. And just, this is not a normal recliner because it just doesn't go at an angle. Actually, what you're gonna see on this one, which applies for both seats, is that this one, it is 100% zero gravity. Check this out. I'm going fully horizontal right here. That is fantastic. Zero gravity, fully horizontal. This thing can actually be even a napping station. And of course, it comes with the remote controller that has a cable, a long cable actually, so you can rest assured that you will be able to operate this one just for the comfort of the actual seat. Really nice pads. I'll show that one to you in a few seconds. But talking about the assemble, it was extra simple. Let me show you some of the parts. The only thing you will have to do is put a big bolt right here, which you can do by flipping these two together and setting this one on the left and this one on the right, and then putting the middle frame, and then putting this bolt right here, this big screw, and another one on the other side, one in the middle, and you're all set. Then you will connect these cables, which connects to the actual power support right here, and you'll connect those cables and the remote controllers, and you will be all set. Another thing that I like is that it comes with this kind of like rubber legs, so it's super easy to move. It is heavy, but it's easy to move just because it comes with those legs, so it won't damage your wooden floor if you have one. Then you will put the wood that supports the backrest, which is gonna be this section right here. And then you're gonna set up the cushions or the pillows, which, by the way, just take a look at how well padded these ones are and this like leather-ish feel. And then you will set up the Velcro and you're all set with the backrest as well. Last but not least, this right here is Velcro. So you're gonna put it right here with the Velcro strap, so you will have your own armrest right here. It comes with two pillows, so you can put these two pillows right here for each one of the seats. And it also comes with a section right here for putting your devices, for example, or the remote controller for pockets in each one of the sides. But again, the fact that this one is motorized and you can stop it anywhere you want. Just for example, if I want to stop it right here because I want to kind of like watch a movie and relax, you can actually do this, stop it right there. And I have, this is actually too much for a movie because it's already super comfortable. And it works in both sides, you know. But I have the armrest right here, comfy, and just sit right here and have this really nice napping stage. I have to say that this one, I'm surprised in how compact it is, yet how comfortable as well. So one more time, if you need a reliable, compact, yet comfortable love seat recliner, motorized recliner with pillows, with pockets, with armrests, and also that supports 400 pounds on each side, this may be really good for you. I like it, and I do recommend this guy over here.